Hi everyone. So this is Prakriti, and I hope you all are doing well. So yesterday I was thinking about my life, and I come to a conclusion that my complete life is the result of my decisions which I have taken in the past. I am completely responsible for whatever situation I am right now. So I am taking the complete responsibility. So I want you to answer this question that do you also believe that your current life is the result of the decisions which you have taken in the past? Do you believe in this concept? Because I completely believe in this. And I also want you to answer this question like, are you someone who blames other people for your life or for your life situation? Are you like someone who blames others? If you belong to this category, then I think this video is for you. Because when I think about this question, like, I am completely responsible for my life. What is good or bad with me right now is because I have taken some decisions in the past. And by, during, this thinking, when I was thinking about this, one question came in my mind that why we always try to explain our decisions to other people. I want you to think uh, on this simple question like why you want to explain some other people, why you want to explain other people's about your decisions. Why not you just take a decision and continue that? Why we all have the tendency to explain someone, and I have done this in my life many times. I try to explain my decision. I try to explain my work to the other people. But what happened is, two situation may come in this scenario. That, like, first is the person you are explaining your condition will try to understand your situation, and you know somehow they will support you, or they will try to guide you, or they will try to correct you, whatever it is. But the other category is the people who don't want to understand you, have this mindset that I don't want to listen, I don't want to understand. So if you try to if you try to explain them, then in this situation you are wasting your time, you are wasting your energy, and you are wasting the momentum of your work, because you are so much into this. Like, if I am able to explain that, if I am able to, you know if they understand me, they will might support me, they will give me that a space, and they will maybe guide me. These kind of expectation arrive in this situation. So I just want to tell you that we have this tendency to always explain ourselves to the other people. And behind this activity, maybe we are seeking validation. Maybe we want that you know the approval. Maybe we want that maybe someday they will understand me completely, they will support me, as I already told you. Then I also think about that, why we want approval, why. Then I think to this conclusion that we want approval because we are doubtful of our decision, because we have uh, you know done so much mistakes in our past. So we have we ourselves very doubtful about our decision. So maybe that is the reason we want to explain to other people. so that they can clarify our doubts, so that if they agree, then we think that, oh, I'm good, I'm doing something good, or I'm doing something valuable. If they all agree with me, if they all understand me, then maybe I'm something good, you know. So this is because we ourselves very doubtful about our work. We don't have that confidence to do our work without seeking validations. One thing I also think about, that we as a human have that tendency of seeking approval, or tendency of we want that everybody around us will understand me, everybody around us will engage with me in my work. We have that craving. And in my life, I want to share with you that many times I want this in my from the core of my heart, that if people understand me, my life would become more easier. If people understand my idea, then maybe my life will become easy. But does this happen? I don't think so. You can also think about it, like, if people understand your work, does their understanding make your work easy? Think about it. You have to still work on your dream. You have to still overcome the uncertainty. You have to still fight daily. You have to still work on your idea. You have to still evolve daily. So I don't think if people understand your work, if people respect your work, if people value your work, will going to ease your life. I don't think so. In little terms, in few ways, it might ease your life. In terms of, they try to understand your work, then they will give you a space. They will uh, less disturb you. In that way, something will go smooth. But I don't think it will completely remove your discomfort. It will completely remove simplify your life. No, it's not. So I just want to tell you that this is not going to solve your life. So it is better to build confidence over your idea, and work on that. Don't try to explain everything to every person. If you do this, you eventually got frustrated, because I already told you that there are two categories of people. One category is want to understand you, and the other has the mindset. They have already make their mindset like, I don't want to listen anything, I don't want to understand thing. So just and you try to explain them, so this will not going to help you. And in the last, I want to tell you that this question has so much possibility to exploration. So I don't think I have explored enough to this question. So I will going to continue this conversation in my next video. So, and I also want you to participate in this conversation. I think these questions are very fundamental to our life. These questions always bother us, but we can't focus enough to these. If we clarifies these basic things in our life, then our life becomes so easy, in my opinion, because these are the question I was continuously struggling in my life. And I wanted someone to share my thought. I always wanted someone who can explain these things. What should I do, what should I don't do. So I think if you participate in this conversation, then this this idea, this complete idea became more useful for everyone. So please share your thought related to this concept or related to this question. If you, whatever you want to write, you can write in the comment box. So I will continue this conversation in my next video. I hope you like it. If you like it, then you can subscribe to my channel, like it, share it to other people. Thank you.